takes dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man, builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bond.
Your son's life, what would be the end result? And the end result could be something like a video I'm going to show you. That could end up being you taking your son to being a great man. And all it takes is your involvement. You being a part of the young man's life, guiding him, showing him, teaching him, molding him into a great man. About what it entails and what it'll take, and why should a father, a dad, be a part of a young man's life in every aspect. And one of the main things I want to say is that mothers should stop trying to raise young men. Yes, they can nurture them, they can love them, they can support them, but they can't raise them, in my opinion, and what they provide to a young man. So with this video, I'm just going to show you a culmination of what a son could end up being, the end result of a father being a part of a son's life. And I didn't want to take a long time to discuss it before I get into it. So we'll end it here. I'll add that video, and then I'll come back and talk to you about the video.
Student remarks. Mr. Bias has earned a Master of Science degree in Educational Leadership and Administration. Please welcome Mr. Bias.
Hello, beautiful people. I want to start off by thanking everybody that came out to celebrate today with the class of 2022. We stand here today on the cusp of the future. Before you in this crowd is future leaders, engineers, nurses, but most importantly, future leaders. One of my favorite quotes says, "Success is a journey, not a destination." Well, today marks a checkpoint on that journey. For some, the journey is just beginning, but for others, the journey began many moons ago. I stand here today a testament of what discipline, dedication, and determination looks like. I started my education next door at Gompers Elementary School. Our schoolyard and SJU was separated by a chain link fence, and every day at recess, I got to stare into and get a glimpse into the life of SJU students. Back then, I imagined being in this very spot you see me today. I'm a big quote guy. My mother taught me that it's okay if you don't have anything good to say, you can use the wise words of others. The late, great, notorious B.I.G. says,
"It's his birthday! It's his birthday!
You gotta educate before you elevate."
Happy birthday, Biggie! Happy birthday!
We are all officially educated. It's time we all now go forth and aspire to be more and to do more. The Jesuit way teaches us to lead with love. Our job is now to make this world greater. Greatness is not limited by fear. Greatness knows that everything that is special is on the other side of fear. One of my mom's favorite hymns was, "We come this far by faith, leaning on the Lord, trusting in His holy word. He hasn't failed us yet." Those lyrics comfort me in tough times. It reminds me to lean on my faith and trust in God. Trust that God has a plan for me and a plan for all of us. We don't know what the future holds, but we know that if you seek God in everything you do, you can find strength in any storm. There are going to be some storms, but we can trust that with this skill set we learn here at this great institution, we will be prepared to be victorious. We transformed during this pandemic. Our metamorphosis is now complete, and the world is ready for us to spread our wings. Let us all go forth and be the change we wish to see in this world. Let's lead with love and adhere to the values built by this great experience. I'm going to end with the lyrics of "Lift Every Voice and Sing," because it reminds us both of the sacrifices of those that came before us and the hope of those to come. As you walk off this stage and out into this world, sing a song full of the faith that the dark past has taught us. Sing a song full of the hope that the present has brought us. Facing a rising sun, of our new day begun. Let us march on until victory is won. Thank you. Everybody stay blessed.
Now that we've had a chance to look at the video, the young man that was the speaker at the graduation was someone who came from the neighborhood and went on to be the top 4.0 of the class. And you know, he made great strides. He's done a great thing. So that's what this video was all about. Seeing this young man grow up his whole life. And you know, there were trials. You know, there were missteps, but he matured enough to reach a dream that he had, and his father had, and his family had. And that's what you see, the end result of that, which we hope he's going to go on to do greater things in life. But right now he did an amazing job of reaching the milestone that he reached in his life. So it was awesome. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos. Just subscribe to the channel and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you, ladies. I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.